My idea was to build 100 apps a year so I can learn and grow more than anybody else could. I just wanted to become someone who can build anything that comes to their mind and be good at whatever I do. But it's not easy. And yet, I keep building.
Jatin grew up in Delhi's tech boom. But with AI, he saw the shift that AI isn't a tool, it's your teammate. At Hyzen, he's turning India's youth into an AI powerhouse. Jatin's journey is defined by quiet persistence and self belief. Much of his college life was spent working out of a small room, building projects late into the night, teaching himself through YouTube, and learning by doing.
When I saw the movie Iron Man, like the character of Tony Stark, it really inspired me towards engineering side.
In 2023, he joined Hyzen as its very first intern. Within 6 months, Jatin was contributing to ambitious moonshot AI projects for founders in Silicon Valley. From voice agents and browser agents to conversational chatbots, he has built and shipped a wide range of systems over the past 2 years. Today, more than 10 of those projects are running in production.
So we have built a platform for CXOs where a CXO can go and ask any question in natural language, and without depending on any other person, they will get the answer.
At Hyzen, he is recognized for his ability to handle deeply technical, high-impact integrations involving platforms such as NetSuite, SAP, and Salesforce.
In this platform, we have built different integrations like NetSuite, we have built Asana integration. So the biggest problem that we faced with this platform was regarding the non-deterministic nature of LLMs. Now we are dealing with a huge amount of data for each query. For like any query, the amount of data can easily exceed more than 10,000 records. In this case, like the number of tokens are so much that AI start hallucinating. For this, we have built entire separate coding agents which writes scripts to do the analysis part. So by this approach itself, like our accuracy went up and our cost per query went down by 3-folds.
His work spans enterprise-grade standards, data governance frameworks, data security, and AI guardrails.
So to maintain data security and data governance on this platform, we have implemented multiple different approaches. For example, the integrity of your data sources. So what we are doing is like we are only like reading the data from the data source. We are not writing or mutating any data on the data source.
Jatin now works on large-scale AI transformation initiatives for Fortune 500 companies.
Definitely, it gets overwhelming sometimes. And
My main thing, the main force that is pushing me or like keeping me sane is my family, my friends. Like whenever I'm feeling down, I talk to my mother, I talk to my brother. I also have really good colleagues and friends that I do talk to when I'm feeling down. So yeah.
Beyond his individual contributions, Jatin mentors young engineers at Hyzen while leading multiple projects of his own. Despite working alongside engineers with significantly more experience, he consistently delivers at a level that sets him apart.
this is my story, and we are just getting started.